Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. This time we're talking about part number 2075R, rear weight jacks for 3rd and 4th gen Camaro. They actually fit 1982 to 2002. This is the stock axle version. So this fits right on the stock axle, goes down through. There's a little bit of minor trimming required on the left side. You'll see that this bracket is actually tilted a little bit. It's not a manufacturing defect. It actually makes the coilover kit sit level when the car is on the factory GM axle. So crooked on purpose. The springs are 175 pounds per inch for street or 200 pounds per inch for autocross and road race. Comes with a nice poly isolator that goes up in the top. So it's gonna be a nice and comfortable ride. So you can change the ride height. You can add 175 or 200 pound spring rate. All in all, a great upgrade for your 3rd or 4th gen Camaro.